In finance and economics, we often analyze data points collected over specific intervals. This is what we call a time series. A time series is simply a sequence of data points indexed in chronological order, showing how a variable changes over time. The most important feature here is the time dimension, which allows us to observe trends or cycles in the data. Analysts break down time series into these four components to better understand what is actually driving the numbers. While cross-sectional data gives you a snapshot of many things at once, time series focuses on the history of one thing. A common example is a stock price chart, where we track the value of a single asset across many days or months. Studying these patterns helps us learn from the past, though it is never a perfect predictor of future outcomes. Thanks for watching. Understanding how data evolves is key to financial literacy. Please consult a professional for your personal investment needs.